In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Bet365 Mastercard. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so open up your Bet365 app as you normally would. And then once this loads, go ahead and click onto your profile on the top right-hand corner of the page here. Then you'll be brought to this page where it's inside your account. And then from here, click onto Bank. And then under bank, look for Bet365 Mastercard, and then go ahead and tap onto that. And now, as it states here, the Bet365 Mastercard gives you instant access to your winnings. So you can apply for your card, so you can choose your card design. You've got two different designs, so design 1 or design 2. So choose which one you'd like to use. And make sure your address is correct. If you need to change it, go ahead and click on change address. Keep scrolling down. How to activate your card, it tells you how to do it here, and then click on I confirm that the above address is correct and I've read and accept and agree to the terms. So have a good read of the terms and condition. And now once all of that is said and done, simply click on apply now, and then after that you should receive your card within a week or two. If you have any issues, just contact their customer support.